Hello, my Be in Demand listeners. This is Laurie-Ann, and you are listening to Be in Demand, where I teach coaches, consultants, and service providers how to leverage speaking opportunities to grow their business. This is a Q&A episode where I answer one of your questions and more on how you can submit a question for a future episode at the end. Today's question is, how much experience do you need to actually get started speaking? And where can I get that experience? And this is a great question and one that I hear very often, but also one that stops people from speaking because they assume I need to have experience. They don't reach out and try to get that experience, so they stay stuck longer. You can get experience from a whole bunch of places. One, you can actually get booked to speak, but you can also host your own events. And another great way to start getting some speaking experience and just learning to speak on your feet or even have something that's crafted is consider any of the social media platforms, doing Facebook Lives, Instagram Lives, creating videos. But I love more of the live aspect because it gives you an opportunity to interact with your audience, share your expertise, and you will get better with time. So that answers where you can be getting experience. And you're going to build up that muscle of experience. It's all about doing the reps. And if you feel comfortable, why don't you start reaching out to different organizations that might be local, in person, or maybe they're virtual? Do you have any friends or colleagues who have private memberships or private Facebook groups? Maybe you can offer to speak in those sort of communities. Don't limit yourself. I mean, really try to stretch yourself and like, where else can I be getting my story, my message, my solutions out there to the right audiences? So don't let that word experience hold you back. So thank you so much for that question. And I'm sure that that is going to benefit everybody. And I'd love to hear your comments. You can feel free to DM me over on Instagram, over at Laurie-Ann.Mirabito. Love to hear what your thoughts are and where you're getting experience speaking. Do you have a question about the speaking world? How to leverage opportunities to grow your business? Where to find the right audiences filled with your ideal clients? Or how to make speaking work for your business and lifestyle? Then submit your question at speakandstandout.com and hit the contact page. And you might hear your question on a future Q&A episode.